Hi folks, my name's Dawn. I am the Royal Society of Chemistry's Education Coordinator in Scotland. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this presentation. Today I'm just going to introduce you to some of the support and resources that we've got available for primary teachers. So hopefully by the end of this presentation you'll know where these resources are located, how to find them and what support is available from us, and hopefully feel inspired to go and try some resources out with your learners as well. So for anybody who doesn't know who the Royal Society of Chemistry is, we are a charitable organisation. We're the largest NGO supporter of chemistry education in the UK. We work across the UK and Ireland and globally, and a large part of our work is supporting education. We have a primary education website called Steps into Science, and this was born out of the issue that we found teachers were having, struggling to effectively link science to other curriculum topics and to find engaging investigations that are feasible to do in a primary school classroom. And also we found that primary teachers were finding it difficult to access science professional development. So Steps into Science was born from there. It's there to help you build your confidence in teaching science, link your science teaching to numeracy and literacy, and engage your learners with fun and simple investigations that are accessible in the primary classroom. So Steps into Science is a website you do need to sign up for to access all of the resources. Sign up is free. You just need to use your school email address and then you will be validated by a member of the team on our side, and you will have access to everything at any time for free. So on the Steps into Science main landing page, you'll see various tabs to help you navigate through the website. So on the Find Resources tab, you will discover resources searchable by age range and by type. Under the Boost Your Knowledge tab, you'll find opportunities and resources to enhance your subject knowledge and see professional development opportunities coming up both within the RSC and beyond the RSC. Under the Beyond the Classroom tab, you'll find opportunities to do just that, to enrich your learners' experience of science with activities such as I'm a Scientist, Get Me Out of Here, CREST Awards, STEM Ambassadors, and science clubs, for example. And finally, under the Get Funding page, this is always one that everybody likes to know what it is. We do have great funding opportunities. There's funding opportunities for the RSC and beyond here. Of note is the Primary Science Teaching Empowerment Fund. This is open on a rolling basis, so if you see that it's shut, just check back again. It does open up frequently, opens up throughout the year. You can receive up to £600 to improve science teaching in your area. So this is to be used for teacher professional development rather than pupil facing activities. So this opportunity is also designed to be used across multiple schools. There are other opportunities as well. We have lovely member networks across the UK, and one of these is our Education Community Scotland. The Education Community Scotland, if you follow them on Twitter or get in touch with them, and you can do that by looking at on rsc.org, and you can go to connect with members, and it would be geographically, and you'll see Education Community Scotland. They run the Inspiring Young Chemists Fund, and they have a primary equipment fund now as well. You can access that. It opens around May every year and closes around October. So please do keep an eye out for that. You can get funding towards equipment to help teach chemistry in the primary classroom. So this is some of the resources that are available per age group or level. The reason that it's done by age group is because this website is for the whole of the UK and Ireland, and trying to divide it up by level and stage would grow arms and legs quite quickly. So we've divided it up by age, so it's easy to find what you're needing. There's lots of great stuff in there, so please do take a look. Just take 5 minutes to have a sift through that. We have got a series of primary science in demonstrations and investigations supported through video. These are fantastic resources. The videos are incredibly clear, so it gives you a chance to watch how the practical is carried out. It includes explanations, and then all of these resources are supported with downloadable notes, classroom slides, health and safety guidance, and required prior knowledge. Loads of really great stuff in there, and I find personally the freaky hand demonstration is a great way of showing gas. So instead of the volcano experiment, I think this one works really well in place. It just uses some simple household ingredients. It uses bicarbonate of soda and vinegar in a jam jar, so really, really easy to do. Fantastic demonstration as well. Really good hands-on activity. We've also got a collection called Kitchen to Classroom. So you can search #chemistry in your cupboard on YouTube, and we've got 17 practical investigations that can be carried out using items that you would find in your kitchen cupboards. And we've also got learning videos on the website, which where we've got 10 simple chemistry experiments using kitchen cupboard equipment. You can use that in the classroom or set it as an activity for students to do at home. And it comes with all the information you could possibly need. We've got downloadable resources, any prep that's involved, health and safety, and the demonstration video itself as well. So I am a member, I'm just one member of a team that works across the UK and Ireland to provide regional and global support and professional development and networking opportunities for teachers such as yourselves. Please do get in touch if there's anything you've got a question on, anything you need support with. Please just drop us a line and we can absolutely get back in touch with you about that. In addition to all of the resources and all the support we offer, we do also have an education policy team who do lots and lots of wonderful work in the background. Their Chemistry for All report is particularly useful, I think, for yourselves. It's got lots of ideas on how you can challenge the perception that you need to be a brain box or naturally clever to study chemistry, because I think that's one of those myths that we've all heard, and we might have felt it ourselves as well. We might have felt, oh, I'm not clever enough to do that, and got that imposter syndrome. But there are some tips and tricks in there for how to challenge that and empower students to be part of STEM in the future and to take an active role in STEM when they might not have had the confidence to do so. In addition to all of the other wonderful resources we have, these are the Science Web collection is something I find particularly useful. We've got topic webs for common primary school topics from the Romans to the Stone Age. There's all sorts in there, so please do feel free to have a look at that and see what topics you might want to include in your classroom. We've also got other resource collections as well. So our Vikings collection has over 40 experiments centred around the topic. There are great ideas in there for outdoor learning as well. And particularly notable is our Life of Water collection. The water cycle is a key curriculum topic, and this provides videos, experiments and investigations involving water in the context of space. So lots and lots to do in there as well. If you do have any questions, as I say, please do get in touch. My email address is gillisd@rsc.org, and I'm happy to answer any questions. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to the presentation today.